It starts as a tube the size of your forearm, and in less than a blink of an eye,
Pressure's holding steady at 40.
Yeah, dew point is good. Let's keep the feed rate there.
Moisture is the enemy here. Even a microscopic drop of water would ruin the structural integrity of the final vessel.
Watch the cycle time on cavity 4.
Got it. Adjusting hold pressure.
The mold separates, revealing the preform. The neck threads are frozen to crystal, while the body remains amorphous and clear.
This is the seed. The threaded neck is the only part that will not change shape in the next phase. It is the anchor.
Oven 2 is running hot. Dial it back 5%.
Exiting the inferno, the plastic reaches its glass transition temperature. It is now a viscous fluid held together by surface tension.
Air pressure is good. Main compressor is fully loaded.
In the pre-blow stage, low-pressure air rapidly expands the heated plastic, creating this fragile, glowing bubble before it meets the mold walls.
bars of pressure blast the vessel against the chilled walls, freezing the molecular orientation instantly.
The violence resolves into structure. The heat is exhausted, leaving behind a dimensionally stable vessel.
Reject rate is near 0 today.
Seals are holding pressure perfectly.
Any imperfection triggers an immediate rejection. The standard is absolute clarity.
Ergonomics meets engineering. The handle is snap-fitted, designed to carry 40 pounds of water without failure.
Change out that pallet, we're full. Copy that, forklift is coming around.
From the silo to the shipping dock, a clean, durable vessel, precision engineered to deliver life's most essential resource. Pure engineering.
NDI soll Christi ISR antimicron until beam, the 4.0 and the 14 series.